What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today we are here in Asheville outlets. So we're gonna check out what do they have here on the Nike factory store. So let's go. Looking into Under Armour, they only have buy one get one 50% off. So it's my first time here on this outlet, so let's hope we could find something really good. Okay, so here we go. We are here on the Nike factory store. Looking out is some bag equipment down here, but this one is not bad though. $16, $16.97 for this duffel bag. We'll take all of it. There you go. You got the Carmines, $74.97. Oh, that one's not bad. $49.97. How am I gonna check this out? I was looking on the bags if they got more. $39.97. Quantum GT Academy. Well, how about this one? Hey, Super Rep 120. This should be good. $54.97. Lebron Witness, $79. More Lebrons. Kitties. I mean, this car is $54.97. Looking into the hash wall, clearance wall, no additional discount. Had a lot of empty racks, and that's not a good sign. Man, how come they got a good cleats down here, but they are in retail? This cleats more expensive cleats, $275 retail. And hey, look at this one, Pegasus Turbo 2, $79.97 on this one. Wow. Air Flight Posit 2, $69.97. More expensive cleats. We got some Air Force, man, $120 retail, or you can buy that one online for cheaper. Okay, what is this? Nike, $59.97. Lots of PG4s, $59.97. That's all they got here on the back casual. Man, not much going on here on this outlet or Nike factory store. Not much going on also on the clearance wall. Okay, there you go. That's what we're gonna pick it up. Okay, so I didn't pick up that much since the shoe that I pick up, I just choose what is the good side. Bags, the duffel bag is really good, 16, and then minus the discount, $54.97 minus the additional discount. All right, so Asheville Nike outlet or Nike factory store in Asheville, North Carolina came through today. So the inventory in the store is not that as many. Unlike in my area, which is my state, they had more better shoes or more inventory, especially in shoes. Unlike here, they have some empty racks on the clearance wall. I was hoping to see more inventory and hoping to find something more profitable, but hey, it's not my area, so I don't know what's happening or what's going on. So hey, that's what it is. So the one that I pick up is 5 pair of this one. The main thing is there's a lot of profitable things right there, but the problem is the profit volume that I'm aiming for is not that high. And some of the other stores, some of the stuff, they are just $10, $15. And then pick up this one, it's right there. Okay, so it says wet dry shoe pocket, so there you go. But it has the logo of Jumping there and the print, cement print. And the good thing is we bought them for very cheap, $16.97. Then the additional discount, so should be, it came down to $14.42. So not bad for the price. So that's all what we got on this Nike factory store. I was glad still pick up a few items that I could still get a profit for the expenses for the trip, vacation trip slash business trip. So that's what I'm doing here, kind of vacation slash business trip. So that will cover some of the expenses. So what do you think on this pickup on the Nike factory store, Asheville, North Carolina? If you like this video, if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up? Leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, mga po. Bye bye.